Welcome to LOPO's channel. Here is Stacy again. It's glad to see you again in today's video. Today, I will talk about the updated version of the oven mitt and pot holder. This product has changed its edge into black color. As a result, you can do any design and no worry about the design will be printed on the edge. Okay, let's go for the design part. We need to have a template when you do the design, especially if you want to do a full printing like this. So for the template, I usually make it 3 mm wider than its actual size, which would be more convenient to cut the wide border and print it. Next, based on this template, let's talk about what kind of design would be suitable for it. As you can see, the template is really simple, which means it is suitable for all types of design. But there are some tips I would like to share with you. If you want to do a full color-based design, we suggest you to put the important part in the middle of it and far from the border. Especially for the peripheral part, we suggest you not putting any important thing in this area because it is difficult to print. Look, this is the mistake I made. So you put the main design in the palm area is more suitable. Okay, that's all for today's video. This is Stacy from LOPO, and hope today's video is helpful for you. If you have any questions like templates, designs, and contents, please feel free to contact our sales and leave your message at below or subscribe our channel. You will always get reply from us. Join us, let's make life memorable.